All right, good morning, cyber traders. Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome back. Hope everybody's enjoying the weekend. Who the hell is this? Good to see you all. Excellent, everyone. Good to see Dominic, everybody. Good from Germany, everybody. Good. All right, everyone. So yesterday, some big news that came out on GameStop. So we've been trading GameStop a lot. I'm actually going to do a quick video on this one because I think a lot of people want to probably know more about it. But basically, the guys behind GameStop and the AMC squeeze back in 2011 tweeted last night for the first time since they basically installing another big squeeze that's happening right now. And you could see GameStop is up about almost 30% because of it from that, due to that tweet. It's all those basically it's all those what is it on the Wall Street bets, again. So we all remember how that all worked out. I mean, if I can go back in history and show you a little bit here, I'm saying go back and show you the short squeeze, which was right around here, 2001. And you can see here, let me blow this up. And let me change this right here. So you blow this up a little bit. There we go. So here was the short squeeze on GameStop. You remember this back here. The stock was at $4, and then it ran up to about 15, and went to 37, went to $120. And then obviously a big crash that came down. AMC, same thing. I don't know if I have AMC here. Yeah, there's AMC. So AMC went from $3 to $100 to about $700. I think the other one, GameStop, obviously was wrong because that factored in the the reverse stock split. So this one did not factor that in. So that's where we're at with AMC. So GameStop's back on the watch list again. Now listen, you got to be really careful if you're a student of Cyber Trading University here for a while. We've traded stocks like this all the time. Now, it just wasn't AMC. It wasn't also GameStop. It was also Bed Bath & Beyond. And it was a couple of other ones, too, that were trading on the short squeeze side. And it's just amazing when you have a superpower of people that follow you, and if everybody does it, you could really, it's not too hard to kind of cause a short squeeze. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to put that on the watch list. Let me move this back over here. So AMC also is going to be on the watch list too. I don't think they're talking too much about it, but AMC, I think, is going to be the next sleeper because you could see it is starting to make a little bit of a move right here. And you got the GameStop also, GME. Where's GameStop? Did AMC move at all? Yeah, AMC did not move yet. Okay, see, that is going to be something interesting in there. All right. So let's keep an eye on AMC and GameStop. All right. So a couple of things that went on last week. So we know about the GameStop trade. There was a couple of other ones. IRBT, that was a really nice little move yesterday. You could see. Friday. You could see it's really not doing too much right now, but it was a pretty good swing trade overall. $7 to 11. That one did okay. Nothing super spectacular. REBB was another one that I would keep an eye on, these short squeeze. What else we got here? What else we had that moved up pretty nicely? That was a good stock from last week. What else do we have here? Millen. That was the good one. MULN. That one was the actual pretty good one that ran. That stock was like an $800 stock. You could see how that stock just, let me bring this up. That was good stock of the week. That was that one that ran from like $5 to $8. Actually, ran more than that. What I'm talking about, the day before it actually ran too. Ran from 5, went to 6. That one did pretty well. MULN. That was a pretty good one. And the DJT. That one also good. You could see it ran from like 47 up to 55. It wasn't like the greatest week last week. Okay, but it was okay. We had a couple of good stocks. I thought the MULN was probably the best trade out of them all. So anyway, let's talk about what's going on this morning. You could see immediately that GameStop and AMC are right on the top of the list right now. Okay, I would probably like to deal with AMC more. GameStop is a little bit more volatile. I got to look at level 4 and see what's going on here. I got to clean out a couple stuff. I got GameStop up here. I don't have AMC. Let me tell you, you get the day traders back in these stocks, this can cause some crazy volatility. I'm telling you right now, it could be fun. So here's AMC. We got some orders, got a little bit of a three-layer cake that's going on right here on AMC. And GameStop, you can see a big iceberg order just got filled right here at the 25 number. That's about 22,000 shares. So you got those two guys that are moving up pretty well right there. So those are looking pretty nice. What else we got over here? New York Stock Exchange. Rarely we get good movement on New York. I mean, those are obviously trading on the New York, but on the NASDAQ, obviously that's where we preferably like to look. TVGN, good move yesterday. She's up about 48%. She's got a nice little level one stock, good price levels, good volume, but she's trending down. I don't like that. From 4 o'clock this morning, she didn't go anywhere. So it is Monday. I put it on the B list. We'll see how that one, not that many orders out there. Not a big fan. ACIU up 43%. Great spread, great volume, not really doing anything. ACIU, not a big, on the B list maybe. CCLD, big pop, backed off, good volume, good spread. Listen, I'm only putting these on the stock, on the market list because we did trade these stocks before and they did eventually just pop out of the open. So one of the things that we'll look at, this one just popped out of nowhere. CCG, this was a $200 stock one day, came all the way back down. I don't know what this is. This one had a really nice move, came back. Ooh, that's pretty volatile. 800,000 shares. Let's see what the orders, what happened here. CCG. See what we got going on over here. Yeah, we got some good movement right here. Good iceberg orders. Just going to keep on AMC over here. Yeah, it's starting to push up pretty nicely. $3, $3.40. It's been a pretty good move so far on that one. We might just, that was the stock right there. KOSS is the other one. That's the other one. Now I remember. There was the other short squeeze that went with AMC and GMC. So that one, they're probably going to start showing up on the list. Okay, so if anyone remembers them, being here, part of CTU back then, you probably, BBBY is gone, right? Bed Bath & Beyond is gone. Yeah, been out of business. That one, sad story about that one. Everybody remember that one? The accountant killed himself. He basically lied on the numbers or some crap like that, and he ended up committing suicide. Terrible. I don't know why people do that. Sad story. I think, is this one of the short squeeze? RX on from that's a pharmaceutical stock. All right. So not a lot out there other than NVAX had that big news that came out with their drug. That one's on the most active. Sones was a good stock last week. That was another one we traded last week. That one did pretty well. Tesla, how's that doing? That's actually the ETF. Mara coming back down. Nice push on the Dow, I'll tell you, man. We got a hell of a rally, right? What a good movement on that stock right there. We're almost back close to the highs, for crying out loud. Almost there. We're like this close. Big news that's coming out this week, too, before we get started. Remember, I think it's next week, actually. I think NVIDIA is coming out with earnings. That is going to be very, very interesting to see how that works out. NVIDIA right at that highs. Listen, it's been consolidating for a while. I think it's going to really put a benchmark on what's going to happen with, the market with the AI, because, they basically rule the AI market. So we'll see how NVIDIA pans out. But listen, it's Monday. Come back from the weekend. You don't want to get too crazy. It is midweek. Remember, we got three full more weeks, all the way up to Friday. So this is an exciting May. All right. So let's get ready for the open. Make sure you guys review your recordings and your archives for your classes. Make sure you guys have signed up. It's May 22nd. Thank you very much for sharing that, Bill. That's what I thought. It was next week, right? Basically next Wednesday. We'll see how that one works out. And let's keep an eye on these stocks really quick. All right. So if you trade options, you might want to look at them, how we could trade the options on the GameStop and the AMC. But so far, they're moving up pretty nicely. All right. Since 8 o'clock this morning, about an hour ago. Stock's already up about 23%. GMC, GME, I mean GameStop, basically right around the same time, 22 to 25. All right, what do we got going long term over here? Just want to see what's going on here in the long term. 25. Yeah, we got big resistance levels right here. So you're going to start seeing some program trading kicking in. All right, cyber traders, let's get ready to get started. If you're watching on social media, you know we're live here at 9 a.m. and at 2:30. You can always scan your phone. Top left-hand corner, you can join our trading room. Could be here all day. Otherwise, just come and join us every morning and every afternoon. And please make sure you subscribe to our channels. I just posted a couple of great new videos. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube, Instagram, X, and TikTok. All right, whatever you're a fan of. Specifically, YouTube is probably the best. Let's get ready for the open, everyone. Got about 15 minutes. We'll be back here live. Don't go anywhere. Go refresh your coffee or whatever you do, your tea, whatever it is. For everyone else, we'll see you back here at 2:30. Let's get ready for the open, all right?